Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to use convert entities in a sketch. We use this command to create a sketch from an existing geometry. Let's first select a plane, say top plane. Sketch. And draw a circle. OK. Now, exit from the sketch. So we have created sketch 1 on the top plane. Now suppose I want to create the same sketch again. I will go to the top plane, sketch. Now instead of using the circle command, I will just select this circle. And click on Convert Entities. This will create another sketch in the same plane. Exit from sketch. Here we can see two sketches, sketch 1 and sketch 2. Let's right-click and hide one sketch. And see the other one is clearly visible. Now let's see how this command works for three-dimensional objects. Select the circle and go to Extruded Boss. OK. You can assign any color to make it visible. This cylinder is created. Let's select the top face of the cylinder. Go to Sketch. Now we want to trace the circumference of this cylinder, on its face. We won't create a sketch manually. Instead, we will just select this face or this edge. And click on Convert Entities. See how the circle has appeared on the top face of the cylinder. This is an important command which will help us create features on 3D objects in our upcoming lectures. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.